crab meat at Safeway's grocery store. I'm gonna mix it all. Ingredients: celery, leaves onion, and red onion, or you can do a white onion, and crab meat. And I need to grab a mayonnaise or a ranch dressing. To shredded the crab meat. This is imitation, came from Safeways. This is a grocery store here in Dillon, and I just need to shred it, and then I need to prepare the celery. I need to chop really tiny. The red onion, maybe I'll just put a little, not all. Celery chop. Salt, a little bit. You need to put the pepper. The ranch dressing, or you can do a mayonnaise. Just a little bit. And then you need to mix it. Small lemon, and squeeze a little bit. This is my crab salad. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hope you enjoy. Bye.